Are you ready to break one of your worst habits? That's right. I'm talking about the dreaded billable hours. So tune in to the latest episode of the Entrepreneurial CPA Show with me, Garrett Wagner, the Entrepreneurial CPA on Evolve Now. That's right. We're talking about the dreaded billable hour. You don't like it? I don't like it. Our clients don't like it. Nobody likes it, but we just can't break free of it. And it's time we really revisit this just antiquated, broken process and thought and things we do and really focus on right now. And you'll hear this so much in so many places across the industry. We've been hearing it for years. It's this big shift from being backwards looking to forwards looking and get into advisory services, CAS, client accounting services, virtual CFO work, dashboards, bots, whatever it is. We all want to become these proactive advisors with advisory services. One of the reasons we can't make this push is we're stuck with this billable hour that just crushes us and holds us back. Nobody likes it. And why, do you ask? And I hear this all the time. Really, Garrett? Why do you think no one likes billable hours from partners inside CPA firms? It's like we fail to realize the difficult, problematic things that we do. So, number one, no one enjoys surprise bills. You don't. Your clients don't. Think about that dread you get for yourself. When you get that piece of mail, if you still get mail, that email or that text message that says, oh, here's a bill from X, Y, and Z. And you just think about it with dread before you open it, not knowing what it's going to be. And then if it's way more than you expect, you freak out. You get into an argument with whoever it is. You probably fire them. Maybe you don't pay the bill and you go elsewhere. There's no good that comes out of these surprise bills later on. So stop doing it. You don't have to do that. You can actually tell someone, hey client, here's exactly what I can do for you. And that's the next part. Take this chance to highlight your value. What makes you unique? How you can be proactive? What add-ons you can bring to the table? And add-ons is a big, big part of this, of why you got to make this move away from billing by the hour. And billing by the hour, you got to bill by the hour for every little thing you do, no matter whether it's something valuable or something not that valuable. You know, you bill by the hour for the administrative staff that processes the tax return. You bill by the hour for the staff that prepares it. And you bill by the hour for the partner that reviews it and comes up with some intelligent tax saving strategies. But none of those rates really capture the value you provide, or all those other things you do that you don't charge for. And that's one of the benefits to billing by the hour. You can take these add-ons, these things that you do, and you can actually get paid for them. But in order to do that, we got to teach you how. And that's where it comes into pricing for the future. And think about that. So there's 3 ways you can kind of get into this idea of pricing for the future, all right? And it all starts here under value pricing. And big key here, you hear I say that, value pricing. It's not value billing, it's not value fees. You do not provide a fee or a bill to your clients. You're going to provide a price for your services. Because price is always viewed as a much better, more positive word than billing or fees. All right, so value pricing, step number 1. You always want to have 3 distinct packages: a low, a middle, a high, a good, a better, a best. 3 distinct packages that lets your clients choose the services they want. Step 2 in this, you got to fence out these packages. So you have a clear fence and delineation from the low to the middle and from the middle to the high. You want that clear separation there. And that's where these add-ons come in. And that's where you can get paid. And this is the big part. You can get paid for the work you're doing now that you might not be billing for. So some great examples we help firms with all the time, and we do ourselves on the tax prep side. 3 areas where we fence it out to be proactive and to get paid more by the client for what we do. The first one, in the basic package, you have to have your return in rather early to have it guaranteed done by April 15th or 3/15 or whatever that tax deadline is. Fencing it out. As you go from bottom package to the middle package, you can go 15 days later. The highest package, the best package, you can go another 15 days later to bring it in. Because at the end of the day, we all know this. If the client waits to bring their return in until April 1st, but they're willing to pay you 40% more to do it, that's good for you. That's much better than the client waiting to bring it in until April 1st and paying you the same as the client that brings it in February 1st. Fence it out based on when you're going to get to it. Number 2, those extensions. We always do extensions for our clients. We rarely bill for it because we don't really want to bill for it. It's not something that really demonstrates our value. But you can build it out in the fencing from the packages. In the low-end package, the clients have to pay for the extension. It's like the bare bones service. Here's my cheapest tax return. It includes nothing. You got to get it in super early. If there's an extension, you got to pay for it. And oh, by the way, if you want to talk to me ever with questions, you got to pay for that too. The middle package, that ideal package you wanted to pick, you can bring it in later. You get a free extension, which you can do anyways, and call me anytime throughout the year, questions, concerns. You're not going to get a surprise bill for it because that's what we want. We want to help the clients understand we're there to be proactive for them. And when they've got a call, we want them to call us with those questions. Not call us because they're worried they're going to get a bill in the mail. And this is that third tip. Highlight your value. Highlight what you do for your clients, especially if you want to be more and more proactive. If you've got a proactive advisory service that you're working on getting in front of your clients, whether it's something like wealth management, strategic planning, client accounting service, bundle that in to your packages. Make it part of the language that's in there so your clients can see the value that you're providing. Come on, we all hate billing by the hour. We don't have to do it. We choose to do it. We choose to suffer. You choose to suffer. It's time to stop. Show your value. Become proactive. Become forward-looking. And you can become the most relevant advisor to your client. Ditch the hourly billing. Get started. Value pricing in 2021. And next time we'll even talk about subscription pricing, that next wave that's coming. So get ready for it. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching our latest video. Now, if you're ready to become the professional of the future, click the link, start today, evolve now.